We are here. We are here for all wolves. We are here for all wolves. Is why we are here. Why we are here. We are here. Palms over Baghdad. Trying to get some we never had. Let's start to the good dad. So really, but it's so sad. Well, I brought it down in crest. We gotta pray for the innocent. Cause right now we don't make sense. Right now we don't make sense. Let's talk about shutdown. Let's talk about Gaza. Let's talk about Israel. Cause you know that Israel. Let's talk about stuck Nigeria in a messy stereo. Yeah. Our souls are brought together so that we can love each other, brother. We are here. Here. We are here for all of us. We are here for all of us. Yeah. That's why we are here. Why we are here. We are here.